Hey guys, it's Randy at Show Me Tint. A lot of people ask me, how do we make it look so good? How do we make it fit so good? For one, we're good. You know what I mean? Besides that, I tell everybody it takes three things to do a good job. And one of those is, obviously a good installer, whatever. My guys are awesome too. And then good material. And then a lot of people don't know is a good software program. So tech is everything these days, and we use the highest technology, the highest level of computer patterns that we can use. And when I explain it like computer patterns, each one of these pieces that you see on a car, we break it down into pieces. We cut these out in a computer, and that's what makes it fit so nicely. And then we just got to put it on, you know what I mean? So let me show you a little behind the scenes how it works, and maybe that'll explain it a little bit. So what we're looking for is a 2025 Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. And then they have a couple options. This one's a convertible, so we definitely want to go kind of like narrow down all your submodels. And then what's kind of cool, to me, I think it's cool because I'm like a paint protection nerd, but they have all these different options available, which is going to bring up these different pieces. Like this is your partial hood. Let me show you something that might look familiar. Like this is like your fender. This is your bumper. And so we start by selecting, we're going to need these headlights, and we'll put them into what's called a cut screen. So this is like similar to like AutoCAD or something like that. The carbon fiber splitter, we're gonna need this. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let me walk over here with me real quick. So to give you an idea, what I'm gonna cut is these pieces here. They call this the rear diffuser, right? So these pieces are gonna be in gloss. All this we made in matte, right? So that means these carbon fiber pieces, these are super expensive pieces. We wanna protect them. So you're gonna cut those out. And then we're gonna cut these out here in this front lip spoiler area. We've got to cut up the top and we've got to cut out the bottom. And so this is how the whole process starts for the whole car, but we've already done a majority of this in matte. So I want to show you like how the plotter works, how it would benefit you. If your person's not using a plotter, then you want to get somebody that's in the 21st century. So a plotter is a big machine that takes these bulk rolls and cuts them down into whatever we say. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load it real quick so you can kind of see. This is the matte black we cut the Tesla Cybertruck out with, and we're gonna put on the clear for the E-Ray that we're also doing, and I'm gonna get it cut for what they have left. So we've already cut out all the matte stuff. I wanted to give you a little bit of that, but my guys did it so fast I didn't get a chance to. We plotted it all yesterday and they put it all on. So this is clear paint protection film. Oh my God. Try to make me look strong in the video. It's pretty heavy. So once you get all the pieces of the car that you want to plot, we put them all into a cut board, and then all we really do is like, see how like easy it is for us. A lot of people think you're using razor blades on the car and stuff. There's no razor blades. Everything's safe for your vehicle. We're using the highest technology, the most accurate fitting patterns. It's called Core Software Program. And now we just put it into our machine, bulk material, walk over here, hit the little scissors. That's the complicated part to remember. That means cut. And then we wait. If we did our job right, we set the plotter up right, it should all run perfectly. If not, we're gonna edit that out, and then it'll look like we ran it perfectly. No, so what it's doing now is it's rolling out enough film. It's gonna roll out 121 inches. It's gonna start from the very back, and it's gonna start going through here and cutting all the pieces out. And then we just wait. You can kind of see the lines and stuff where it's cutting. It's pushing those lines back. Now that it's cut, we bring it over the table. We've got it all laid out here, and we're just going through and we're like weeding out, we call it weeding out, like the bulk of the material and leaving just the patterns we need to install. It is super important. It's pretty meticulous, but it's super important to like really pay attention at this stage, because you've made it through all the hard part, you've got the patterns to the table, but now you've got to separate like basically the good and the bad parts. So like we're trying to like find the patterns that we cut out of there, and it's really hard to see, as you can tell. It's super hard to see on camera, but even in person, So a lot of times, like what Alex is doing, he has a picture of what he's working on to make sure that he pulls the right thing off. I don't do a lot of this. I usually have them do it because it's super slow and annoying, and
we're just good at it.
You guys are good at it. So what we're gonna do is prep the material. We're like kind of prepping it, cleaning it. We've got all that done. And now we're just gonna get a little nice little soapy mixture going, and then we're gonna come put it on. So now if we've done our job right, it should fit perfectly on. See how everything kind of lines up, perfectly fit. This is all made to like fold over perfectly, and it just fits like it's made for it. See how this like little piece here splits the middle? It's all made exactly to fit the piece. And that's how it is on every piece on the car. This is a smaller version of the whole installation. So really all we're doing is just lining up pieces all day.